Hello, Anik. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Thank you. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. So, what's your full name?
My full name is Onik Chaudhary, but my friends and family members call me Onik because that's my nickname.
And you are quite familiar with this name, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, all of we have, everyone have a full name, but we don't call the full name. We call a specific name like nickname. Understand?
Yes.
So, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from Brahmanbaria, which is one of the most beautiful and economically important city of Bangladesh.
What is your village name?
My village name is Panishar.
What class do you study in?
I study in class 10.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is black because it suits me.
What's your profession or what do you do?
I'm a student. I study in class 10 at Samsalanam High School. My department is business studies, and I am learning spoken English and computer fundamentals at Royal Technical Training Institute.
Okay, that's great. So now tell me about your family.
There are 4 members in my family. They are my parents, my younger brother, and me. We are a nuclear family.
Okay, that's great. So do you live live with your family or are you a bachelor?
With my family.
You live with my family?
Yes.
That's great. So what's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is traveling.
Do you like reading books?
Yes.
What's your favorite sports?
My favorite sport is football. Like football.
Do you play football regularly?
Yes.
What is your favorite person?
My favorite person is my mother.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to meet my friends.
Do you go hang out or travel with your friend?
Yes, sometimes.
Yes, sometimes. Okay. It was a nice conversation with you. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Okay.